it's your girl Day, and I'm back with another video. And today we're gonna be doing a little self-care. So right now I am on the way to my wax appointment and running late, of course, nothing new, but we have a grace period, so I just have to make it before then. And later y'all gonna be coming with me to get my nails done. Girl has made it to the wax place, and if you're from Memphis, you already know where I'm at. Cause if you don't come to Wax Therapy Studios, where you going? And y'all, my normal waxer, she is out on maternity leave. She had a baby, so I'm gonna go see someone new today. And I have got her recommendation from several people, so I'll let y'all know how that go. So y'all, your girl just got waxed and feeling like a brand new person. When I say, it's just something about getting a fresh wax that just have you feeling amazing. And y'all, they're so sweet. They gave me a Christmas gift, which is this little magnet, and it says Pretty Kitty Committee Certified, cause period. And y'all, I went to the waxer. Her name is Kika. I love her. That was a 10 out of 10. So if y'all coming to Wax Therapy Studios while Jules is still out on maternity leave, come see Kika. Come see Kika even when Jules come back, because baby, both of them need clients and they are fine. But Kika, I love the experience. 10 out of 10 would recommend. But yeah, now I am finna head back to the house so I can work on this wig I've been working on. The girl is back. I just took me a good little nap. When I say I was knocked out, I needed that nap because I was tired. But your girl finna head to her nail appointment, so I will see y'all when I get back. So I have made it to the shop and I'm finna go in. I'm gonna let y'all meet her, show y'all where I get my nails done and the whole process, cause your girl love extra nails. So yeah, y'all, I'm walking in the building. Her door is so cute. Oh my gosh. So I'm finna go in.
Hey, Déjà, ugly ass.
Hey,
Tiger. When it's something that you can get the chop. You vlogging.
say hey to the vlog.
Say hey to the vlog. So pretty soon you
just gonna make it look good.
I was already on recording now.
She finna.
I'm nervous. I'm scared. I'm not good with recording.
Come on, girl.
Oh, I'm nervous. Oh,
What up you wanna hold it?
prop it up. 'Cause I'm nervous. Oh, I get.
Now how many times
Anxiety.
you told me bring your camera so we can make a nail video?
How she go live?
But don't nobody see me when I go live. I'm not
completely
talking.
waste of time.
What
We
happened?
waste time. Don't keep it out.
No.
I'm sorry, like, what's going on?
It's Flo.
No, this waste. Oh,
Period. Okay. And follow me on Instagram at _nails by Flo _ And let me show you this set.
she's gonna get in trouble. On the tube.
Period. Period. Okay. Period.
What's your name on that?
How long I done had them on? It's
About a
very
month.
neat. And y'all, I done had this set on for about a month. I'm gonna put a video, and then I'm gonna put a picture up in here from when I first got them done, so y'all can see how they looked in the beginning. Cause I had that news set.
Yeah, that newest set that went viral.
Yeah, you
Yeah. But yeah, I'm finna get these took off. So this is how my nails look so far. All I did was got the tips put on. I went a little shorter this time. I'm gonna let her start laying the acrylic. Okay, y'all, so that just about sums up my nail vlog. If you want full details on everything, it's gonna be on her Instagram. It is _nailsbyflo_, and you can also follow me. I'm gonna put my IG on the screen. Thank you for watching. Bye.